I'm having a beer emergency.
I'm on my way.
Alrighty.
Loon, you called. What could possibly be the problem?
Not a twist off.
It's not a twist off.
No.
Loon, let me show you. Probably the greatest bottle opener ever. Good old handy dandy, trusty dusty Bic lighter. 1973, they sold about 6 million a day. They sold 30 billion of these things in 160 plus countries.
Damn.
And here's why. You can do more than light fire, be a flashlight. You can open up a bottle of beer. Let me show you how. Get in here, Loon. Get up close. Right in here. Let the folks see. What we do is we create a ring with our middle finger, like this, create a fulcrum with our index finger, and then we pop. You try.
Okay. So like,
Around the neck of the bottle.
okay.
Create yourself a fulcrum and pop. Oop. And boom! What do you think of that?
That's awesome. Yay. Okay, so thumb around, then middle finger, then fulcrum. Yeah, got it. Awesome.
Well, there it is. Nothing to it. What do we got here? All right. And there's the cap. Off like a charm. Remember, take your caps with you, folks. Don't litter. All right. So, since we have this beer emergency solved, the cap is off. It's not a spin top. It's a pop top. Remember, middle finger around the neck, right? Create the index finger, fulcrum, pow. Bic lighter will work every time. Link in the description below, folks. Get your Bic lighter. From Just One Swig helps us out and helps you out too to bring in more content. Now, what do we have here? Now that we've got the beer emergency solved, let's not let this beer go to waste. What we're talking about here today is Ellicottville Brewing Company's Keepin It Peel. Alcohol, 5% by volume, right on the knob. That is an awesome little label, folks. That just makes you want to take a swig. Maybe just one swig, maybe more. What did Loon bring us today for a cup? Just dead black. We're not
We're going to design that at some point.
You want to advertise, ladies and gentlemen? Get a hold of us. We'll put you right here instead of this black mark. All right. Let's give it a pour. What do we think, Loon? Give it a pour? Get it going?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Do it.
Here we go. Ooh, there we go. Burnt orange. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. Beautiful head. Take a look at that, folks. Nice and rocky. About 2 fingers worth of head. Let's give it a swirl. Let's give it. Woo! There's some grassy hops in there, folks. There's the grapefruit, lime, and they're sneaking something in this one. This smells like passion fruit in here. I'm passionate about that. Loon, you passionate about that?
I love passion fruit, so
This,
it's exciting.
Let's give it a try. Let's give it just one swig. You know the name of the game, folks. You know what's going on. Just one swig. This is an English India Pale Ale, not an American India Pale Ale. Not so much hops, but there's some grassy hops in here. Just one swig. You know the score. You know what's going on. Refreshing. This, folks, this needs a rating. How our ratings work is this. Nectar of the gods, straight up. One fine beer, wait for a kegger, dirty dishwasher, water, dirty dishwater, piss of the goat. What do we got here today? I'm going one fine beer. Look, what do you think?
Ooh. Ooh, I really taste the grapefruit, but the passion fruit cuts in there just a little bit of sweet. very smooth. I prefer the English style IPAs. If you don't, if you like the American IPAs, this might not be for you, but I'm gonna agree with you.
One fine beer?
One damn fine beer.
All right, folks, there you have it. Somebody's swig is bigger than others. One fine beer. Ellicottville Brewing Company, Keepin It Peel. There you go, folks. There you go. Beautiful. And we're out. Yay, what would you like the folks to do today?
Like and subscribe.
All right, beautiful. This is Just One Swig. We're out of here.